So today we have come to this secret or hidden beach of Muscat, which is very less known to the general public. In fact, there are not many people who know about this secret hideout, and this is located just next to Al Bustan Palace Hotel, which is one of the premium 5-star hotel property of Oman. So yeah, let me just show around how this place is.
So right now we are passing through the Wadi Kabir area of Muscat, which is also my starting point as I reside in this area. अभी सुबह के 6 बजे हैं and this is the best time to go to the beaches. As you can see, driving during this time of the day without much traffic is an incredible experience. From Wadi Kabir it takes hardly 5 minutes to reach to this beach, but there is another route from Matra Corniche side as well. On our left hand side we can see the Al Bustan Palace. We are approaching this roundabout from where we will take left to go to the beach, but if we go straight then we will reach the Al Bustan Palace Hotel. In front of us is this gorgeous building of Al Bustan Palace, used by the State Council of Oman for official purposes. We have to take a right turn from this traffic signal to go inside the residential area. Take a left turn from here and move along the road. After driving another 100 meters through these residential area and you will reach to the beach. So here we are at this hidden and charming beach. Parking is restricted here to control too much people movement on this beach. Most of the cars which are parked here belong to the residents who stay here.
आज हम यहाँ पे हैं मस्कट के एक हिडन बीच पे। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कितना खूबसूरत नज़ारा है। इनफैक्ट इस बीच के बारे में बहुत सारे लोगों को पता नहीं है और मतलब मेरे को भी जो है मेरे ड्राइविंग इंस्ट्रक्टर ने इस बीच के बारे में बताया था। और कुछ लोग इस बीच को अलबुस्तान बीच के नाम से भी जानते हैं। इसका रीज़न ये है कि I'll just show you ये बीच how it is getting connected to अलबुस्तान। ये आप देख सकते हैं how beautiful is this beach। Just listen to the sound of the waves crashing on the shore। On that side we have Albustan Palace। अभी हम we'll walk towards that property and I'll show you from which point Albustan का private beach property starts। But in the meanwhile just see the surrounding area of this beach and see how beautiful is this।
Here is a perfect combination of the sun, sea and sand. And I couldn't have asked for a better view than this one.
So morning का time है, sunrise and sunset, these are the best time to visit this place। In fact any beaches of Oman, they look spectacular during sunrise and sunset। You can see there are two, three people in fact sitting here for fishing। And this is the surrounding area। How lucky are these people who have got their houses built just next to the beach, in fact just on the beach। Let's go further। You can see the sand here is so fine। In fact beach is also very clean। यहाँ पे कुछ fishing boats हैं।
Oman is one of the largest fish producers in the Gulf region and fishery is among the most ancient and thriving sectors of the country।
As you can see there are not many people here, so as this place is not known to many you will hardly find people coming to this side of the beach। So usually it is very calm and quiet। In fact आज weekend है and in normal days if you visit to any beach of Oman or Muscat for that example, it is usually very crowded। But ये बीच इतना क्राउडेड नहीं है। इनफैक्ट एक रीज़न ये भी हो सकता है कि कोविड का टाइम चल रहा है, सो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर नॉट वेरी कीन टू विजिट बीचेस। इनफैक्ट देयर आर सर्टेन रिस्ट्रिक्शंस आल्सो। बीचेस पे मूवमेंट इतना अलाउड नहीं है फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट साइड। see these houses, so beautiful. There are some people enjoying the swimming also inside the sea. So there near the cliff, if you see, there is a red and white color signboard. So basically that is the point from where the private property of Al Bustan starts. It's a premium property of Oman. In fact, one of the costliest, I should say, of Oman. Costliest hotel of Oman. Just look at this house. The bougainvillea looks so amazing in the backdrop of white color. Let's go and check what is written on that signboard. It's difficult to walk in the sand. Not very easy. Here is one family which is enjoying fishing here. Okay, so it's written, please refrain from walking beyond this point. Resort facilities beyond this point are available for hotel residents only. And then it's written in Arabic and some other language also. I don't know which language is that. Is it like Dutch or German? Don't know. The property from here looks so beautiful. Nestled between the mountain range and the beautiful sea, Arabian Sea. The sunrise looks amazing. So this is how the entire stretch of this beach looks like. It's a small secluded beach. If you like, you can come here and spend some time all by yourself. Time to go back. So hope you enjoyed this little tour of this hidden place, this hidden beach of Muscat. And yeah, so see you next time in some other video. Muscat is famous for its pristine beaches and of course the beautiful mountain range. So I'll keep showing you some other videos related to some other beaches and some good mountain trekking activities. So till then, goodbye. Thank you so much for watching this content.